Good morning, students. As we have started our chapter Rock Minerals and Soil, today we are going to discuss about the sedimentary rocks examples. We have already discussed about sedimentary rock, as the sedimentary rocks are formed from the sediments by the process of the compaction and compression. And the examples of sedimentary rock are limestone, shale, sandstone, and conglomerates. Now, what do you mean by the sandstone? Sandstone means the stone that is having the sand, and the color of sandstone can be yellow, red, white. And how they are formed? They are formed from the cementing together of sand sized grain, thus form a solid rock. Means the stone that contain the sand. If we cement these sand particles together, then a rock will form. And what will be the nature of that rock? That is soft in nature. And what is the use of sandstone? It is used as a building making material. You can see in the figure that sandstone that are used for the making of the building. And the major example is the Red Fort in the Delhi. Means in the Delhi, Red Fort means the Lal Killa that is made from the red sandstone. As I already told you, the color of the sandstone can be yellow, red, or white, and the Red Fort is red in color due to the presence of the red color of the sandstone. Okay, so this is all about the sandstone. Next is about the shale. Shale is a rock that is formed from the clay. Clay is actually a type of soil that is having very small particle size, and they are very compact together. When we place or we pile together the clay particles by the pressure, then shale is formed. Piled together means like one coin is placed above the other, and one above the other, two above the other, three above the other, and the pressure is created. And what is the color of the shell? That can be mainly gray in size, but can also be white, yellow, brown, green, or black and in color. And what is the use of the shell? It is used for making bricks. As you can see, the brick color can be around the brown or like reddish brown in color. That is due to the presence of the shale. You can also see in the figure that the shale that is like having the use in the bricks. Third one is the limestone. Limestone means the stone that is having the lime. Lime is actually chuna. Chuna that is used in our paint, means that is made up of calcium carbonate, means having some calcium present in it, and they are formed in the clear, warm and shallow marine water. So what is the use of the limestone? Limestone is used in our daily life material, like in the paints. Last one is the conglomerates. Conglomerates means something cementing together. Means they are formed from the cementing of the rock fragments. Means some rock parts are cemented together and they form the conglomerates. How they are formed? They are formed by the river movement or the ocean wave action. Means when the river water or with the flow of the water of the river or the oceans, the rock fragments flow with them, they move with them, and with the time passes, they get collected over one place and they will cement together and with the pressure, and they are known as the conglomerates. The cementing agent. Now the question is how these rock fragments cemented together. Means the cement. What are the cementing agents? The cementing agents are those that fill the spaces to form the solid rock are silica, calcite or the iron oxide. Means they act like as a fevicol or the glue that will cement together the rock fragments. So this is about the conglomerates. So what we have discussed today about the sedimentary rock examples. One is about the sandstone that contain the sand. Second is about the shale. Third is about that contain the clay, and third is about limestone that contain the lime, that is calcium carbonate, and last is one is about the conglomerates, that is the cementing of the rock fragments. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubt, either call me or message me.